So hi guys, I made this quick video to show you how I take measurements, how I read my measuring tape when I'm taking measurements for my bags and other projects I make. I hope you can see it clearly. Ignore this first mark. I don't count. You don't count. So starting from here, this is 1/8 of an inch. This is 1/4 of an inch. This is 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, 5/8 of an inch, 3/4, 7/8. This long mark, this one here where the one is, that makes 1 inch. I made a quick diagram here. I hope you can see it. Forgive my fuzzy handwriting here. This was supposed to be 1/8. I had made a mistake. This is 3/8. I hope it's clear. If you have any questions or you need me to explain anything, please send me a message and then I can get back to you. See you in the next video. Thanks.